just on the left there is the bus station that we used the following day. We did a park and ride to come in and walk, and it was only €3 to park up, get a lift in and go back again. Some amazing sights to see though. These streets and the buildings, they're just amazing.
We just cycled into La Rochelle, just at the market here, looking at some amazing wear. This is just some of the sights I'm showing you. Quite a little bustling place, isn't it? Quite happening, little busy street, the bar street, something like that. Big tomato.
Oh no.
Just coming round by the marina itself. What an amazing marina it is. It's fantastic, quite busy as well. So that was quite a warm afternoon cycling in. It's important to keep hydrated, so we're just looking for somewhere to take on some hydration, and I think we found it.
So we just come down to the marina to try the local flavoured water, as we're a little hydrated.
Again, you can see these streets and the buildings. It's absolutely fantastic, absolutely amazing to see. You really got to go and see it. We enjoyed it that much, cycling through. We knew that we hadn't seen it all, and we knew that the following day we were going on the cycle, and the day after we were going to be leaving Ile de Re, and we decided then we needed to come back in and visit, which is exactly what we did, as you'll see on another of our videos. But I'll let you sit back and enjoy the views like we did as we cycled through. we arrived back on the site safely, went for a little walk to the sunset. As we turned around we could see there was a fire on the bridge. It actually took the fire brigade probably about 20 minutes to get there, and they weren't that far away, as we found out the following day when we went for a walk. So I had a quite peaceful night sleeping, got up in the morning, lovely day, and Jack decided, right, let's go for a cycle around the island. I'll tell you now, it was about 60 miles, flattish, but some amazing scenery, as you'll see. This little fishing village, marina type thing, we got told off by the tourist police, told to get off and push the bikes, so we duly did. You noticed during the cycling that some of the main things they produced here was obviously grapes, vineyards for the wine. They also did salt, and also they seemed to be farming oysters and mussels a lot. There's no real footage of our return due to the fact that the GoPro overheated quite a lot, but we managed to change the battery so you can see it's coming back over the bridge itself. Enjoy. If you like what you've seen, like everybody says, thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. Cheers for watching.